Hello my friends, welcome back to my estate video. In today's video, I am going to discuss the agent program. Now, if you don't understand what this word means, in our common term in the online business is called referral program. Okay, that is what it means. Agent program. It's a specialized program that estate have to enable people like me and like you yourself watching this video to bring people on board and get them to close a deal of 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 10 estates. Okay, and then you will get paid commission. That is what that means. So I am going to present the full program to all of you that are watching this video so that you will know the benefits and you will be able to consider if you want to become an agent or not. All right, so let's dive right in and get the presentation started. So this is the presentation document. It's only just 8 pages, guys. So please bear with me for me to do this presentation for you guys if you are interested in becoming an agent. Okay, you need to become an agent because there is a lot of benefits if you become an agent. Okay, so what is a digital real estate agent? A digital real estate agent connects buyers to tokenized properties through e-estates platform. They advise clients and facilitate transactions in a fully digital environment. Simple. That is what we do. Okay, so we bring buyers into this e-estate platform. The buyers will close a contract or close a deal of a property. Okay, if it is apartment, if it is villas, if it is houses, if it is commercial, if it is developmental properties that you want to go into, or you want to do a bit of everything, we bring you in, we show you all the properties, we show you the benefits, we tell you how much it's going to cost and how much you are going to make, and then you will get everything done. Once your deal is done, then we will get some commission from it. So again, let me just make this clear. The digital real estate agent is what we know in the other platforms as referral program. Okay, so let me continue to present this for all of you that are watching this video. Potential. So these are the three key factors that you need to remember. Okay, so in terms of the expertise, it means you have to understand the blockchain, the tokenization, and the online property markets, and then you have to work remotely, set your own hours, and then you earn commission and bonuses based on the performance and the level of engagement that you have with your own people. Okay, so this again is good if you want to bring in your friends and family, especially your family members that are interested in purchasing a fraction of a property, but maybe they don't have good credit record. That is what is stopping them from getting, the physical property. In this instance, you can bring them in, become an agent, bring them in, and then get them to purchase the property of their choice. Okay, this is really, really good. It's a good business. I cannot overemphasize how important this is to everybody. It's slightly different from what I used to do in terms of investment, online business, and all of that. And because I have been looking for such an opportunity, when I got presented with it, I was so glad, to see that something like this is actually happening and it has been digitized and it's operating on the blockchain. So that is great. Okay. Becoming a licensed digital agent. E-Estate, in partnership with the Association of Real Digital Realtors, offers a subscription model and licensing for digital real estate agents. Every agent also receives a personal landing page and an easy-to-use editor, enabling them to customize property listings and marketing materials. So how do you apply to become an agent? Let's start with that. Okay, so number one, there will be a membership fee of $9 per month, or if you want to block it for 12 months, you can pay $90. Okay, for 1 full year. Number 2, once that is paid, you will now complete your digital form to become a certified digital real estate agent. Once that is done, you will now sign a contract. Okay, and this contract is done electronically, so don't worry, nobody is going to send you a physical document to sign. It is electronic, so you can sign it online. Okay, once everything is done and your application is approved, you will gain full access to the e-estate properties and the tools, including your personal landing page that you will use to get started. Just like many people have seen, if you click on my link, you will see my personal landing page as an agent. Okay, and that will now give you the ability to get started in this platform. So now let's talk about the income, because now you have paid $90 for 1 year, or you have paid $9 for 1 month just to see how the program works. How do you make this money back? How do you get paid? How do you get compensated? As a digital real estate agent, you benefit from 4 distinct sources of income without any initial investment of your own. These revenues streams work together to maximize your earnings. Moreover, as your agent level increases, both the bonus amount and the number of bonuses will definitely grow. Okay, so now let's discuss the main sources of income for an agent. If you become an agent today, there will be deal commission, there will be profit commission, there will be agent bonus, there will be e-token rewards. Okay, now let's deal with the commission that you have. Okay, let's start with that. The deal commission, once that is done, you will earn a percentage from each deal that you close with your clients. Okay, and then you will receive an additional share of the profits generated from the deals. Okay, if you close 3 deals, 4 deals, you will earn on each of those deals. Okay, now in terms of agent bonus, you will achieve a certain level of performance. Okay, there is a certain threshold, milestones that you have to perform, you achieve. Your performance has to reach that level for you to unlock that bonus reward at a higher agent level. Both bonus amounts and the frequency of bonuses increases on a daily basis, depending on how much effort you put in, right? It's same as the traditional real estate. If you go on the street and go into any of these agents that is selling houses, they get paid commission. You know that. They get paid commission. Once you finish your mortgage, you've purchased your house in the traditional way, that agent that helped you to get your house, get the deal done, they will pay the agent a fee. That is exactly what we are getting done here as well. The only difference here is everything is digitalized. Everything is done online. Okay, so they will give you e-token rewards as well. Okay, which can be used within the platform, or you can exchange it for other benefits, which is great. So now let's talk about the commission structure. Now we know that we get paid in 4 different ways: deal commission, profit commission, agent bonus, e-token rewards. Let's break it down. Okay, so these are the structure of the deal. So deal commission, let's start with that first. Okay, so you earn a commission percentage on deals closed with your clients across 8 levels in your network. Now, in terms of the deal commission, you have from level 1 to level 8. So your first level, you will earn 6%. Your second level, you will earn 2%. Your third level, you will earn 2%, up to 5th level. And then from 6th level to 7th level, you will earn 1%. Then let's talk about the profit commission. In addition, you will receive a share of the profits from the deal at the following rates. On my left hand side here, you earn a commission percentage on deals closed with your people across 8 levels in your network. So if you close 8 deals across 8 levels, you will earn this commission. So your first level, you will earn 6% if you close a deal. If you close a deal on your second level, you will earn 2%. And that goes to fifth level. Okay, so 2% from second level to fifth level. And if you close more deals from level 6 to level 8, you will earn 1%. Then the profit you will get in addition to your deal commission, okay, you will receive a share of the profits from the deals, okay, which is, to me, they call it passive income, right? Okay, at the following rates. So first level, you will earn 5%. Second level, you will earn 2%. Third level, you will earn 2%. Fourth and fifth level, you will earn 1% in terms of the profit commission. Okay, so remember, this is really, really, really profitable if you are interested in becoming an agent. Okay, now let's talk about the bonus. Okay, agent levels and bonuses. System overview. Each level is linked to the agent's total turnover, which is your total team volume. Okay, if you've been following me, you will know that some of these platforms that we do, okay, get ourselves involved in, they have sales volume. Okay, I don't want to mention them because this is a different platform and I don't want to be mentioning names, but you will know that we have turnover, system volume, or team volume, right? So in this case, is the same kind of business model they are using to structure the bonuses here. Okay, so each level is linked to the agent's total turnover, which is the sales volume. Reaching higher levels unlocks additional rewards. Okay, now that additional reward that it unlocks will be the e-tokens and the cash bonuses. When all 10 bonuses are filled, the progress will reset, but your agent level remains at level 10. So guys, this is great. What does this mean? This paragraph that you're looking at now, it means that once you reach the highest level, the whole system will reset again and then you will start earning again. Okay, so that means this is infinite, right? So level table, let's look at this. Level 1, let's say you have a total team turnover of 500. Let's say you brought in your friends, 2 of your friends, and they registered today, and they purchase a fraction of a property for 250 each. So your team turnover for your 2 friends or for your 2 family members will be 500, including your own money. Now remember that you need to include your own money as well. That is why I said that this structure is slightly different. It's the same business model but slightly different, because in other ones that we know, we don't get added our own personal contribution, right? But in this e-estate, your personal contribution is included in the level turnover as well. Okay, so let's say you have 500 in your level 1 turnover. You will earn a bonus of 100 e-token, and remember that the e-token that you get, you will get given, okay, the ability for you to use it to participate in the spinning wheel bonus, where you will earn between 5 cents to $1,000. So right away you have 100 e-token as a bonus for you to go and play that game, and then you may be lucky to win 1,000 from there. Now for level 2, if you have a total contribution of $3,000, they will give you 150 e-token, and then you will get a cash bonus of $30. If you keep doing what you are doing and your team start growing, okay, when your team start growing and your team turnover becomes 10,000, you will get 250 e-token, and then you will get a cash bonus of $100. If you do that until your team turnover becomes 1 million, which is level 10. Okay, level 1 to level 10. If at level 10, if your total team volume is up to 1 million, they will give you 10,000 E tokens for you to spin the wheel, right? And then you will also get $10,000 cash rewards or cash bonus. This is great. I have not seen anything like this before, right? So now let's talk about the revenue share system. The revenue share system on multiple levels. As a digital real estate agent, you earn percentages from your clients' investment volumes across 8 levels of depth. Okay, so this is the breakdown of the percentage that you get. Okay, so personal investment is 100%, which is what I told you already. Okay, so your personal investment is 100%, and then your first level is 80%, your second level is 40%, and your third level is 20%, your fourth level is 10%, your fifth level is 5%, and then it goes down to 8. So between 5 to 8 levels, you are going to receive just 5% achievement and money wheel. As I said to you guys before, this is the wheel that you spin with your e-token. Okay, so that is where we are going to what we are going to talk about now. So achievements and money wheel. Agents can complete various tasks, e.g., reaching a certain turnover, signing a new partners to unlock achievement and earn e-tokens. Now the e-tokens is ETK, just so you know. Money wheel. ETK earned from achievement can be used in the money wheel for a chance to win prizes ranging from just 5 cents to 1,000 per spin. Each spin costs 100 ETK, which is 100 e-token, and there is no limit to how many times you can play if you have enough tokens. And this is the price ranges that you can get. Okay, and this is where you spin. Just click that. If you go to your back office, you will see that. Okay, so now that brings us to support and next step. So what do you do? How do you join? How do you become an estate agent? Okay, so you can become a certified digital agent and tap into the growing world of tokenized real estate if you want. And if you want to start today, you create your account, you enroll in our licensing program, and unlock the full potential of digital real estate sales. Okay, so these are the support steps. We'll give you a welcome email after you finish signing up. You get a community assets. Okay, so you gain entry to Association of Real Digital Realtors. Okay, and you'll be given a certificate as well, guys. So this is great. And you will have access to knowledge base and webinars, and you will have 24/7 support, and you will have a lot of support as well from even your upline. You have a lot of support from me as well. Right, so these are the benefits that you will get when you become an agent. Okay, just bear in mind that once you become an agent and you start working, when you start doing the job as an agent, the money that you are going to be earning, your bonuses and your rewards, we pay already for your monthly agent fee, which is $9. Okay, so if you would like to become an agent, by all means use the link below this video description to sign up. You have to make sure that you follow all the steps in the link below video description, and then become an agent, and then boom, start earning all these bonuses and commissions. Okay, so thank you very much. I will see you in my next video.